Okay, dear friends, I'm back. Today, I like to do the machine of Sedna on the Vulnhub. I will add the link into the description section below so that you can download it. Before we begin today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very much. So without further ado, let's just get started. To save time, I've already imported the virtual machine into the virtual box. So now we can go inside the Kali Linux VM. As you can see, I've already discovered the IP address of the target as 252. And then I did the nmap scanning with options like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan by the option of -p-. From nmap scanning results, as you can see over here, there are so many different open ports. For example, the first one is 22, which is running SSH service and also the actual version information. As we know, this version doesn't have any vulnerability. And the second one is 53, which is running some sort of the domain service. And next one is 80, which is running HTTP service. And the next one is for POP3, for the email application. And next one is 111, but this I think we do not need to take into consideration. And the next one is for Samba service and also the nmap service, and like that. And the last one is 8080, which is running HTTP service. So that's all about open ports on the target. So now what we are going to do next, of course, before we do anything, I need to check the host file to make sure existing. Maybe I need to remove this one. Make sure this is the fresh machine. And now what we are going to do next is to make enumeration for the 80 port and also the 8080. And let's put the IP address of the target. And this is the welcome to Sedna. And click here, another picture emerges. And now we go back, and also you can check the source code of this page, but very limited codes. And so what we can do, also we can check whether this site has robots file. It does have, but if we access hacker, not found this directory. So what we are going to do next, maybe we need to utilize different tools to make enumeration. The first one, I'd like to use the cure, and the option is V, because it will review a lot of information. And we can put the IP address of the target. Let's hit enter. For example, here we can get the server information, the accept ranges, the vary, but in this case, nothing interesting here. And next, I'd like to use the Nicto. Nicto also can review rich information about web application, like misconfigurations, like the vulnerabilities, and also some common files like that. And here, as you can see, the files. So maybe we can manually check on these directories files. Of course, you can get into each directory or files, but to to be honest, we cannot get anything useful. I mean, from the angle of the penetration. So now we can go back to the terminal, and also there is directory, which is system. We need to check this one, but directory access is forbidden, which is fine. It's okay. I think this is the wrong message. We do not need to pay attention. But here, I think also another one, license file found may identify site software. Yeah. So we need to make a copy of the file name because I don't want to type in. Sometimes will cause some mistake. Let's hit enter. Yeah, give us the software information. So we can make a copy of this one and make a research to see whether there is vulnerability. Maybe we can use the Google. It doesn't matter. And can paste in here, exploit. And the first one is arbitrary file upload. So this one is unauthenticated, unrestricted file upload. And this is the URL for post method. And the vulnerable parameter is files. We can upload the test PHP. Of course, we can upload the PHP reverse file and reach the file under the files directory. We have already know that, yeah, this site does have the directory files. So maybe we can generate this POC, right? Of course, we need to change the domain name to our target. And we can go back to our Kali Linux. And I already created this POC. File. I think this one, of course, we need to do some modification. Make sure the IP address matches our current machine or target. Let's hit enter. Right and quit. So now we can use the browser to open and we can go to Sedna, and this one we can drag this file into the browser. But not found. Weird. Okay, now we can upload the PHP reverse shell file. And I've already prepared this reverse shell. Yeah, this one, PHP reverse shell file from the Pentest Monkey website. And I've already made modifications to this file. Make sure the IP address is our own machine. And so now we can write and quit. And now we can go back to our browser and select the PHP reverse file and send. Yeah, no problem. Now we can set up the listener on our own machine or Kali Linux. And just instruct by this exploit, we can access our uploaded file. Of course, our file is not a test, but the shell.php rather, but the directory should be files. Now we can. I think I already set up the listener. And then we can copy files, and the name is shell Let's hit enter. It seems it's working, and we can make it more friendly by importing pty module, and then we need to do some enumeration. After all, we need to elevate our privilege. So wait a moment, I will not go through all or retrieve all flags instructed by the author. I just I want to retrieve the root flag and the root privilege. That's all. I will not do anything else. I don't want the video to be so long. Anyway, so we also can cut the version of this release. You can know the release is Ubuntu and the version. So then we can use the exploit database to make research like that. And of course, there are several different exploits we can test, but the one which can work is this one. I have already made the copy or download this file earlier. So I just go directly to upload this exploit code. And I think I already, we need to set up the web server. And now we can upload this exploit. Also, when I did the first time, I did this machine. For the first time I tried this one, but this one was not working. Now we can navigate to temp directory because we have full privilege to this inside this directory, and then we can use wget to upload our exploit code, and we can make a copy. And then, so how to compile this code? Maybe we can cut the content of this file. Always the user, author of this exploit will give us help on how to compile this file. Okay, I think should be here. Very easy. We just use the GCC compiler. We do not need to specify any other arguments, and we can use GCC compiler and output to exploit, and then and we can make it executable, and we can run this exploit. So we just wait for this exploit to be run, to be executed. As you can see from the banner, we have already become the root user. Then we can get the root flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.